flying with a dog in an aircraft's cabin's impossible? We say it's not, if you comply with the points noted below. Most dogs that are taken on planes have to travel in the cargo hold, and at check-in, the owner and their dog are separated. When the dog arrives in the cargo hold, it's dark, cold, and noisy. The dog's completely isolated, in constant stress, and mostly scared to death. There are often consequences, such as psychological disorders or worse. It doesn't have to be like this. If you've ever been diagnosed as suffering from psychological problems or currently suffering from symptoms such as anxiety, stress, migraines, sleeping disorders, hyperactivity, eating disorders, or other psychosomatic complaints, and your dog does a good job in helping you to cope better in your everyday life or improves your feelings, then you can use the PSD program of ESA Europe. Let us partner you and your dog on the way to PSD. We're a nonprofit company founded and run by experienced professionals. We work fast and help you with all the requirements on the way to PSD. Check out www.esa-europe.eu and get an instant answer as to whether you meet all the requirements for the PSD program and can keep your dog with you on flights in the future. ESA Europe. We've made it our mission to protect people and animals from being separated when they need each other most. The dogs that support owners with their mental impairments are called Psychiatric Service Dogs, PSDs. ESA Europe's training is based on the final rule published by the U.S. DOT, U.S. Department of Transportation. Many U.S. and global airlines have based their pet policies on these standards. ESA Europe works in cooperation with the association Animals for Therapy, which is a member of the European Society of Animal Assisted Therapy, ESAAT.